Subnautica Below Zero, where save game files are located on PC. Issue: can't find Subnautica Below Zero save game files or config folder on PC. Step 1. Close the game completely. Exit Subnautica Below Zero fully. Close Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Make sure the game is not running in background. Step 2. Open File Explorer. Press Windows E on your keyboard. Open File Explorer manually. Prepare to access hidden folders if needed. Step 3. Enable hidden items. Click the View tab in File Explorer. Enable the Hidden Items option. This allows hidden app data folders to appear. Step 4. Open the app data folder. Press Windows R to open Run. Type Sent App Data Print and press Enter. Navigate back to the app data main folder. Step 5. Go to Local Low folder. Open the Local Low folder. Find the folder named Unknown Worlds. Open Subnautica Below Zero folder. Step 6. Locate Save Games folder. Open the Subnautica Below Zero directory. Find the Save Games folder. Your game save files will be stored there. Step 7. Backup save files. Copy the entire Save Games folder, paste it into another safe location. Keep backups before reinstalling or modding. Step 8. Find Steam installation folder, open Steam library, right-click the game, manage, browse local files. Access game installation and config folders easily. Step 9. Check Cloud Save Sync. Open Steam Cloud Settings, make sure Cloud Save Syncing is enabled, wait for save synchronization to complete. Step 10. Restore missing saves. Replace corrupted save folders with backups. Paste backup files into Save Games folder, relaunch the game, and test save recovery.